Hello parents, I'm going to show you a quick way to get into your child's Clever account. So what you can do is search PPS Student Portal. Okay, and your Google search should come up with something like this. And now you're in this PPS Student and Parent Portal. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the Clever and then it should bring you to your child's Clever page. Oops, but there was a step before this. There we go. Okay, so back to this page. Now I can show you. Student and Parent Portal. Go to Clever. You're going to skip this, the Seesaw and the Google Classroom. Clever. Log in with Google. And then here's where you'll be able to input your child's email and password. The password is their birthday, and month, day. All right, now it should take you to your student's Clever page. And in this area, you'll see Google and LMS, Seesaw, Google Classroom, Google Drive, and then Google Meet. Click on Seesaw. And that should bring up your child's Seesaw page. Okay. And then from there, you can see your child's journal. And then the lessons are under activities. Okay. And then you can add response, or actually no, you'd want to click the link first. Okay. So that's how you can access the Seesaw.